Alright, I'm on my way. Alright. Race to a Lamborghini on YouTube. Check me out. Like, comment, subscribe. All black, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. We finna go rob a bank real quick because we got on all black. I'm gonna be the driver and she gonna be the stick-up kid because she's small, so she can go in there and run in there with the gat and come out.
If we was gonna rob a bank, I don't think we need to show our face right now.
Oh shit, baby, I'm talking about with this credit. So you make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, check out How I Save My Money video. You ready, baby? Mixing that drink up.
Yep.
Oh. Let me get all this stuff on. You want a little bit more? Let me get my credit cards.
Run up the check. Put the money back.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put the money back on. As soon as I use it next week.
Yeah.
Next week I'm gonna pay it.
That's what I'm saying. They ain't call me back yet, so I'm just gonna.
Oh yeah.
Whatever dates he tell me, it can't be next week, of course. Cause I'm
for what? Say man, I need y'all to get with it. It's crazy shit. It's gonna be on and popping. So, you get ready to turn up 2021. No more masks, that dumb shit. So everybody mad about that, but not me. You know why? Cause I at the gym every day. And I gotta wear that bullshit ass mask, and I can't breathe, especially when I'm doing my damn squats. But anyway, we finna head out. We got the drink. Show y'all what we're working with real quick. Sipping on that Don Q. But anyways, like I was saying, man, we finna turn up. If y'all ain't trying to hit it with this credit shit, my shit is almost there. We finna start cashing out on these motherfucking checks, on these credit cards. Is that the right one? Yeah. So, what y'all be talking about? Y'all should have jumped on the bandwagon a long time ago. But y'all gonna get left behind. So I ain't playing with this shit. I'm finna beast up. I'm finna go field with it. See, look what I done rolled up on. Let me show y'all real quick. Am I gotta have a charger to be off in this group? Huh? Cause I gotta have a charger to be off in this group. I'm gonna get y'all cars real quick. Mazi, yay! What's up, dog?
What's going on, y'all?
Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm gonna check out y'all cars real quick. Hell yeah, y'all gotta check y'all out. Yeah, I see. Who's that, Hemi?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see him. Yeah. Yeah. Chilling with these boys over here real quick. I'm finna turn around. I had to park my shit far back real quick, but check me out real quick. Y'all know who that is?
I ain't told you, like, okay, that's pretty good what you said, shit.
What's up with you? Alright, I'm trying to get like y'all. My ride too big, so I've been ran everything over. It's you right here, ain't it? Yeah, that's boy clean. That boy clean. 44, what's up?
What's up with it?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Mazi, what's the deal?
What's going on, brother?
Yeah, I'm a subscriber, bro. I'm a subscriber, for real, for real.
Vlogging?
Yeah, I'm just checking y'all out.
I'm not starting mine. We're going to get you on here, bro.
Oh, for real?
We're going to shout it out.
I was gonna run into y'all one day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna run into y'all one day.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm out here.
Yo, shout it out for him.
Oh yeah, new YouTube channel coming soon. It's Race to a Lamborghini.
Yes, sir.
That's all it is. Race to a Lamborghini.
Race to a Lamborghini?
Yeah, Race to a Lamborghini.
Yeah. You're finna get a Lamborghini.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
But see, what I'm doing is I want to show people how to do credit,
Right.
like credit restoration,
Right.
and instead of like getting your credit fixed and just going to get cars and shit like that, start a business.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Do something like that or just invest.
Right.
That's basically what I'm trying to do. So
Already.
that's what it is. So
Y'all hit him up, man.
yeah, y'all stay tuned. So we're gonna get that Lambo together.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get that together.
We are racing to a Lamborghini. I like that name.
Yeah.
We are racing to a Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, McLaren on our side.
Yeah. I like the McLaren. Yeah, I like the McLaren.
Yeah.
I be looking at tall guys, so
Yeah.
I already know what time it is. I'm in a big school bus down there, so I had to park it down there.
Nah, it's all right, man. Pull it up over here.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, shit, I've been sticking with y'all channel though, man, for real.
I really appreciate it.
Hell yeah, I've been sticking with it. That's what's up. I like the content.
I ain't gonna tell y'all.
Let's see what else we got down here.
Why you lean on my car, bro?
That 44 right there. People are coming tough. Shit, what's up with it? What's up with it? Y'all coming tough in the game. I'm trying to catch up with y'all, shit. I'm trying to catch up with y'all. Y'all got YouTube channel too? Oh yeah? What's your channel?
At Kendrick_B_cooler, man. Same thing for the Instagram. That's what came out to see, bro.
Yeah, already. What's yours?
My YouTube, Cam on Cam. That's what I see, not a K.
Yeah.
Then I got my IG, _that boy Cam. That's with an I, not a Y.
Already.
Don't follow me, man.
Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. I got some D-boy working with over here too.
Hey, nobody want to hear that. Hey, big beat up, bro.
Boy, ride tough.
What?
They can't hear you. You can say it. They can't hear you. Whatever they say.
I see this one right here all the time. I see that motherfucker all the time, dog. That bitch clean. That motherfucker is clean for real. Yeah. Hey, what's your YouTube
Hey,
channel?
man, Graves World 903, man. Some of my windows.
Okay.
On the back, man.
Yeah.
I sure appreciate it.
Yeah, that's what's up, dog. I appreciate it. As y'all can see, I'm out here with these boys, man. I'm really supposed to be somewhere right now, but I'm finna do that later on. So, but I've been seeing this boy right here on YouTube for a minute, and this boy bad. This motherfucker clean. I like them really. I got a partner that don't like forges, but I like them hoes right there. Some more. It's the Bone Bill, of course, y'all. If y'all follow Hemi, and if y'all follow Mazi, then y'all already know. Y'all already know what time it is. There you go, act the fool. That boy Hemi ride tough though.
You too, brother. Don't say nothing. Just pull up. Big gear right there. Keep in the gear right there. You take it out the way.
Like I said, man, I ain't got no charge or no challenge or nothing like that, but I gotta get something. I'm riding big school bus Hummer down there, so
Yeah.
yeah.
I don't got one of them houses you got 30s on them.
Yeah. Shit, I might put some 8s or something on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would, shit.
Yeah. See, I fill it up, so it's good on gas. I fill it all the way up.
Yeah.
I fill that bitch up. Yup, fill that bitch up for real.
What's car is, bro?
Mine is Race To A Lamborghini. I don't have nothing on there yet, but I'm finna start putting stuff on there.
Okay.
I'm finna start putting stuff, but it's Race To A Lamborghini. That's all it is. Yeah, Race To A Lamborghini. Oh yeah, I gotta get this boy right here too. What's up? Y'all finna get ready to go to an event? Or y'all just meeting up? Oh, for real? Yeah. '92, I like the way he did that inside too. Alright, man, I'm finna make this shit a wrap. Chilling out with the Scat Pack crew. Finally caught up with them. So they doing their thing. And I'm finna get out. Alright, dog. It was nice meeting y'all, man.
Yes, sir. You too.
I'm finna head out, man.
Okay, bro.
Appreciate that, dog.
Yes,
Appreciate it. Alright. I'm gonna keep hitting y'all up for sure. Alright. And it's me right here, so I'm late as fuck. I'm supposed to be heading out. She probably wonder where the hell I'm at. What's up, baby? Trying to eat some food.
Oh, I be coming out here, man.
Dang, baby, shit.
What you doing?
Huh?
Can I eat
It's a
first?
photo shoot.
No, not with a taco in my hand.
Yeah.
No, I had a knot on my side.
Photo shoot for Jack in the Box.
Yeah, I took my purple
Look at
box. I
you.
had took my purple box. I was right over there.
It's like
I
that.
turned the corner, I heard it, so like, what the fuck? I was like, damn.
Don't put the Jack in the Box bag in there.
Okay.
And they got
See, as y'all can see, I'm still out here. Alright. Shit. That is it. Alright, this thing ain't acting right. It's gonna be our first time really in the snow.
Oh, no.
Go out.
It's not my first time.
But like really playing in it though. Whoa. Watch your step. See how it's snowing out here?
Yeah.
Whew. Alright, y'all, this is the first time we got snow in a long time. Out here in Dallas, Fort Worth area. Dallas, Texas. So I ain't seen it like this in a minute. So this is how it look. And it's still coming down too. It's still coming down. So I gotta start these cars up real quick. And it's their first time in the snow in a while. Y'all ain't been out here in a while in the snow, huh? I don't think Fat Man even seen snow like this. This how it used to snow when we was young. So yeah, this is it. And it is cold out here too, man. Damn, it's cold. This on. Alright, that's a lot better. this is how it is, man. Out here in Dallas, I'm actually in DeSoto, but Dallas Fort Worth, that's what we get. And y'all can make snowballs and all that, but y'all know if y'all keep touching the snow, it's gonna, y'all hands gonna freeze up, but you can still touch it. It's kind of thick. Make a snowball. But man, it's cold. It's like a blizzard out here. On the road. Yes, this is real thick right there. You can get some. Y'all need some gloves. Some warm gloves to keep y'all warm. But yep, this is it, everybody. It's coming down too. It's coming down out here. Oh man, so y'all be safe out there. Whoever traveling, man, because it is coming down. It's just really snow, but I still know in certain areas it's still kind of icy. So can't really drive. I know I ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We're gonna stay right here in this house. Right in there where it's warm. We got plenty of food. And that's pretty much what we gonna do, so. But yeah, it's coming down though. It's really coming down. So I'm just letting the kids play out here for a little bit. It's coming down. It's probably good. It's freezing below. Let me see, it's like let's see. Let me show y'all the temperature. It is 16 degrees. 16 degrees right now. Out here. So I'm finna start these cars up. Let them run for a little bit, and then we're gonna go back in. When y'all get cold, y'all need to go back in real fast, so y'all won't get frostbite. When your hands start to freeze up and your toes start to get real cold, huh? Yeah. Whew. It's cold, man. See, everybody driving real slow. Ain't nobody really on the road, to be honest. But start these vehicles up. I'm gonna get my ass right back in this house. Let them play for a little bit. Go right back in. Driving slow. Whoever's out there driving, they have to drive. Make sure y'all be careful, man. Real careful. Cause this, we had this in a long time, huh, fat man?
It stays on your.
It's
on everybody's car.
It's on everybody's car. What you think about it, man?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think yeah? Look at the camera, man. You said yeah?
I can't because.
Yeah. Whew, it's getting hot out here. My hands is getting cold, so that's gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna get my ass back in here after I start these cars up. And that's gonna be it. I'm staying in like a bear hibernating. I'm staying in. Y'all stay tuned. I'm out. Hands freezing, you gotta go in. You gotta go in. Yeah, they freezing, you better go in. Put it by the heater. I ain't even finna even do it because I ain't got my other glove on.
I know.
Woo, my hands freezing, baby. I'm finna go back in. I took my glove off.
It don't even stay. It just flows.
snow's coming down. Whew. Y'all see how thick this snow is? Look how thick this shit is. It's thick. Thick. Whew. Snowman is here. Alright. Next day. She must got breast cancer. Yeah. So this is the aftermath right here. So I'm just letting the cars run again. So look at that. Look how thick that is. Dallas, Texas. Oh, I'm in DeSoto. All on the roads. That's our beautiful house. So I'm just letting all the cars run right now. Yep, this is how thick it is right here. Yes, it look pretty nice though. Ain't been like this in a minute. So, guess I'm dressed warm as usual. Some on my head this time. But I haven't seen like this in a long time. So I'm just out here. Snowstorm. I know I ain't driving this Kia nowhere. On the windows, got a little icicles on the front of the truck. But yeah, this is how it looked afterwards. Shitload of snow.